Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Top 10 countries where Indians face discrimination, a global reality check introduction in an increasingly globalized world. Indians have become one of the most mobile populations on earth. From Silicon Valley tech leaders to Gulf migrant workers, from medical students in Eastern Europe to startup founders in Canada, the Indian diaspora is everywhere. But with success has come a darker reality. Right-finger rising discrimination, right-finger cultural stereotyping, right-finger workplace exploitation, right-finger and sometimes outright violence. According to official data presented by India's Ministry of External Affairs, hate crimes and attacks against Indians abroad have more than doubled since 2022, and this is not limited to one region. It's global. Globe 1. Russia. Recent government data revealed a shocking trend. Right-finger. Over 50% of global complaints from Indian students abroad came from Russia in 2025. Students reported racial profiling, verbal abuse, academic harassment, even violent attacks. Despite being a top destination for medical education, fear and safety concerns are rising among Indian students. Globe 2. United States, often seen as a land of opportunity, but also a place where tensions are growing. Between 2023 and 2025, right-finger anti-Indian hostility surged by 115% amid immigration debates. Online hate speech and conspiracy theories targeting Indians have increased, especially around skilled worker programs like H-1B visas. Globe 3. Canada has seen growing resentment due to immigration pressures, housing shortages, cultural tensions. Government data lists Canada among the countries with the highest number of attacks on Indians abroad. Many incidents are categorized as checkmark hate crimes, checkmark xenophobic targeting, checkmark politically motivated hostility. Globe 4. Ireland has recently experienced right-finger violent assaults against Indians. Authorities themselves condemned these attacks as an assault on equality and human dignity. Reports indicate street harassment, racial slurs, fear among immigrant communities. Globe 5. Australia has a long history of tension involving Indian students. In recent years, anti-immigration protests escalated into right-finger hate-fueled rhetoric targeting Indian migrants. Past incidents involving assaults on Indian students even triggered international diplomatic concern. Globe 6. United Kingdom. Despite strong historical ties, Indians in the UK still face workplace discrimination, cultural stereotyping, racist attacks. The UK is listed among countries with recurring incidents targeting Indians. Many attacks are linked to far-right nationalist sentiment. Globe 7. Germany has witnessed right-finger mob attacks on Indians. Right-finger racist public controversies. A 2007 incident saw a crowd attack Indian nationals in Mughal, highlighting underlying tensions. More recently, even media portrayals of India have sparked accusations of racial bias. Globe 8. Gulf nations, Qatar and Saudi Arabia. Millions of Indians power Gulf economies. Yet many face wage discrimination, poor living conditions, limited labor rights. Despite economic dependence on Indian labor, social integration remains minimal. Globe 9. Sri Lanka. Surprisingly, Sri Lanka tops official data in total incidents involving Indians abroad. Tensions often stem from economic migration, regional politics, ethnic sensitivities. Globe 10. Uganda, historical case. In 1972, President Idi Amin ordered the expulsion of roughly 80,000 Indians. The event, known as the expulsion of Asians from Uganda, remains one of the most dramatic examples of state-driven anti-Indian sentiment. It shows how quickly economic resentment can turn into racial hostility. Revolving like the bigger pattern across regions, discrimination appears in three major forms. 1. Economic Indians are often welcomed as workers, but denied equal social status. 2. Cultural stereotypes and outsider narratives fuel exclusion. 3. Political immigration debates frequently turn Indians into targets. In Western nations, Far-right extremism has increasingly singled out Indian communities. Balance scale important reality check discrimination varies widely. Many Indians live successful, respected lives abroad. But the rise in hate crimes, xenophobia, labor exploitation is becoming too visible to ignore. My conclusion: Indians today are checkmark one of the most successful diasporas, checkmark one of most globally distributed communities, yet success often brings backlash. Understanding these realities is not about fear, it's about awareness. Because the future of migration will depend not just on opportunity, but on dignity. Thank you for watching this video.